Hello. For those of you not able to make it to a live lesson, this is going to be our last day with geometry for a while. Next, we'll go on to positive and negative numbers, and then we'll come back to algebra, and that's how we'll be finishing our year. Okay? From now on, each day there should be an assignment, and it'll be due by 4:30 that evening. This is so that I can better prepare and tell what we need more practice on for the next day. Okay? The reason we're doing a review of area is because the quiz that I gave, a lot of people had problems with the triangles. Okay? So we're just going to start there. Formula for the area of a triangle is area equals base times height times 1/2. If you're having trouble with the fraction part, it's the same as base times height divided by 2. Okay? If I'm looking over here, my base is going to be 15, and the line that's perpendicular that makes a right angle to it is 19. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and do 15 times 19 times 1/2. Okay? I would pause, give myself a minute, and do the problem. Okay? When I do this, I'm going to get 285 times 1/2, which is going to get me 142.5. I need a label, millimeters squared. Okay? This next one is a lot like the homework questions that you'll have. And it says find the area of a triangle with a base of 18 meters and a height of 20 meters. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a triangle so I have something to look at so it makes more sense. Okay. I'm going to put my base at the bottom just because it makes the most sense, 18. And I'm not sure if this would be a straight perpendicular line, so I'm just going to draw it off to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and make it 20 for the height. And it's the same formula. Area equals base times height divided by 2, or times 1/2. Okay? So 18 times 20 divided by 2. Okay? 18 times 20, 360, divided by 2, 180. Need a label. So meters squared. Okay, it's squared because it's area. Okay. This last one is a composite shape, which is what you worked on the last day. Okay. Those are the ones where you can split them. Notice I could split it right here. I could split it right here. Which good options. I'm actually going to do this one a little different. I'm going to add a triangle so that I have a full-sized parallelogram right here. Okay, full-size parallelogram. So I'm going to use purple. I'm going to find the area of this whole thing. So I'm going to do, it's a parallelogram, so it's just area equals base times height. I do not have to divide by 2 because it is not a triangle. It's not a trapezoid. It's the full area, okay? So I'll take the long sides, 12 and 9, because they cover all the length. Okay. I would take a minute, pause the video, see if you can find the area of this triangle, the red triangle. You will have to first find the side lengths of it. Now that you've paused the video, I'm going to go ahead and talk through it. This whole side equals 9. So I need this side to also equal 9. I already know where 4 of the meters are, so I'm going to take 9 minus 4 I'm going to get 5. That means this little piece right here is equal to 5. Okay? Same thing here. This whole side equals 12, so I need the whole bottom to equal 12. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. That means this right here, that's going to be 7. Okay? I'm going to use the same triangle formula I used before. Area equals base times height times 1/2. Okay? So I'll take my 7 times my 5 times 1/2. 7 times 5 is 35 times 1/2. I'm going to get 17.5. Okay? Now because I added this the red is extra, I'm going to have to subtract 108 minus 17.5 is going to get me the area just the purple. Okay? I had to take out the red. 90.5 meters squared. Okay? Your homework today is to complete the area review worksheet. Do this on a separate sheet of paper. You get to pick any 6 you want. One of them does have to be number 8. And number 8, you do have to submit your work through a picture onto Google Classroom. Okay? Please email me if you have any questions.